And let's focus on this. Let's talk about the gym leaderboard, gym level leaderboard. That way you can figure out where you are at on the leaderboards where it's qualifying for these elite levels. Okay, we're going to go into a couple different ones. On the left is the gym level leaderboard for Ruby qualifications, Ruby Elite. Those are going to be listed there. Next, on the right side, if you go to Ellis Engage, you see the header at the top and what your page looks like. And then if you go down to solutions, as you can see in the purple there, the one right below it, if you click on solutions on the purple, it's going to take you there. That's going to determine where you are as far as Sapphire. Now, Ruby and Ruby Elite, it's on your left side, gym level leaderboard. That's how you know if you're rating Ruby qualified, Ruby Elite qualifications. But when you're running for Sapphire, and a lot of people are, on your right side, you're going to go there, Business Solutions. And that number is going to tell you